Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is my personal experience using the service, so your mileage may vary. Today we're taking a look at Mailjet, an email marketing platform. Mailjet offers a robust suite of tools designed to help businesses of all sizes create, send, and track effective email campaigns. Whether you're a seasoned marketing professional or just starting out, Mailjet provides a user-friendly interface and a variety of features to streamline your email marketing efforts. From crafting visually appealing newsletters with their intuitive drag-and-drop email editor to segmenting your audience for targeted messaging, Mailjet empowers you to connect with your subscribers on a more personal level. Analyzing campaign performance is also made easy with comprehensive analytics dashboards, providing valuable insights into open rates, click-through rates, and other key metrics. This data-driven approach allows you to continually refine your strategies and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. Furthermore, Mailjet offers advanced features like A/B testing, which allows you to experiment with different subject lines, email content, and send times to determine what resonates best with your audience. Automation features can help streamline repetitive tasks, such as welcome emails and follow-up messages, freeing up your time to focus on other important aspects of your business. With its scalable pricing plans, Mailjet can accommodate businesses at every stage of growth, from startups to large enterprises. Whether you need to send transactional emails, marketing newsletters, or automated campaigns, Mailjet provides the tools and flexibility to achieve your email marketing goals. So, if you're looking for a comprehensive and user-friendly email marketing platform, be sure to check out Mailjet. The link, again, is in the description below.